Hi there, students. To disclose, a verb. Disclosure, the noun. Okay, so to disclose, to make something publicly known, to let everybody know it, particularly something that people didn't know, or to show something that was hidden. So the police disclosed the information that they had arrested a man in connection with their inquiries. To divulge information. Yeah, he accidentally disclosed that we were going to hold a surprise party. Okay, so to disclose particularly information, to give information to the public that wasn't known before. Yeah, disclosure, full disclosure. Okay, so the government disclosed facts that we didn't know before, to make public something that was secret, or to disclose new information. The police refused to disclose the victim's name. You can also use this to disclose, is to allow something that is hidden to be seen. So I was looking for my keys everywhere. I couldn't find them. And then I lifted up a blanket which disclosed the keys lying underneath. Yeah, I turned on the light, which disclosed a large rat sitting in the middle of my kitchen. So to reveal, to show, to uncover. Okay, so to disclose. Yeah. The company refused to disclose the profits it had made on this deal. Yeah, to disclose, the full disclosure of something. Yeah, so you tell people about something. Okay, he disclosed that he was going to quit his job at the end of next month. To make known, to tell people, to reveal. Yeah. They had a private conversation and then refused to disclose the details of their conversation. Yeah, they had private talks, and they refused to disclose what had gone on. Okay, so to bring into view, to uncover, to make known. Yeah, to reveal. Yeah. Okay, so to reveal something that people didn't know. His investigation disclosed corruption in the deal. I guess to cause to appear, the flowers disclosed their fragrant smells in spring. Okay, so to disclose, to let something out, to make something known, to let on, to let out, to make public, yeah, to reveal, to broadcast, to communicate, to unveil. Yeah, maybe to spill the beans about something. Come on, spill the beans about it. Yeah, to disclose. Okay, to disclose, disclosure, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it informally, but maybe better in a semi-formal conversation or writing. Also use it formally. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin disclaudere, dis, not, un, and claudere, to close or to shut. So unclose, to open. Okay, so to disclose something, to let people know about something, to divulge information, to impart information, to publish it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Disclose, disclosure.